It's your girl Judy back in the cut, and today I'm gonna be washing my wig, but let me reverse a little bit. So I'm gonna be installing my own wig for back to school, and I figured why not take you guys along the process with me. So today is Saturday. I'm gonna wash the wig, maybe let it dry today, and then either I'll dye it today or dye it tomorrow. But I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna wash it, let it air dry, and then install the wig tomorrow. Like dye it, install it, all that tomorrow. So I'm gonna wake up like a little early, and get it going. So this is the wig. Nothing too fancy. It's nothing too fancy. So yeah, it's still brown from makeup. It still has wig glue on it and everything. So we're just gonna wash it. Use some these we do the YouTuber hands, the tweezers, to like take the glue out once it's wet. And the wig is a really good wig, so it doesn't need to be plucked. I mean, I'll probably pluck it, I don't know, but anyways, yeah. So let's go ahead and get started with that and get it on like Donkey Kong. Okay, y'all, so we're at the shower and we're gonna use this bucket because what I look like putting my wig on the floor shower. No. So got it from Walmart. This is an old bucket, but I just washed the bucket, so bucket's clean. So I'm gonna throw the wig in the bucket. Now the shampoo that I'm gonna use and the conditioner that I'm gonna use is really quality material. Lately I've been using that phrase for the longest. Quality material. You see the shirt is quality material, but it's called silicone mix, and it was $11.99, $12, same difference. Shake it up, and we're gonna use that on the wig. Now for the brush, I'm not gonna use a comb, but I was gonna use this, but I don't want to mess up the tracks because it's a 13 by 4 or 6, I don't remember. So I'm gonna use this bristle brush and the tweezers. Where are they? Found them. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a time lapse of me doing this. I mean, I feel like it's not too hard. Wet the wig, shampoo, scrub, and then I'll probably come back and I don't even know. No, y'all don't really see that. Toodaloo. So here I'm obviously using the shampoo and washing the hair. I'm using warm water, and basically that's just what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna be starting the conditioner process. So I'm just gonna apply it, comb it through, and then rinse it out. Now I'm gonna start removing the glue from the wig with my tweezers. So it's gonna take a while because there's a lot of glue and it's a really good glue, so it's gonna be hard to come out. I'm starting the plucking process, and I put the wig against my legs so that I could kind of see how it would look when it's against the surface. Okay, y'all, so after like 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes, probably an hour, I'm very tired. I did some plucking, a lot of glue. It wasn't even a lot of glue, but it was like really good wig glue. Like it wasn't coming off. Like if something will snatch the wig off, it's not coming off. Like no. So I had to work really hard to get the glue out. The glue is not even 100% off, but I'm just gonna like work with what I got. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig. This is the wig. You can see right through it. I'll give you guys a close-up afterwards, but as of right now, I'm going to hang up the wig with a hanger, because I see my mom do that, and I was like, oh, that's so smart. So you clip one side. Oh, this is gonna slip off. I can probably just go like this, hang it up by the band. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna hang it up by the band like this, like so. Period. It's giving beard, don't play. Oh, I could actually get a frontal, like just the frontal, and put a beard. If any of you guys know me in person and you go to my school and you're a guy, be like, hey Jada, you know, I've been real insecure about my beard. Can you help me? And I'm gonna be like, sure pal, I got your back. I'm gonna say, do these 3 things. Go to the hair store and say, can I get a closure? And point to your head like this. And be like, yo, hey, can I get a closure? Like just a little patch in the front, the patch that you use for the wig. And you be like, yeah. And then they won't play with you. They'll like, and if they ask you like what color or what type of hair, just be like that hair just points in your head. Be like, I want it to look natural. So get the afro curls and make sure it's the right color, because I'm gonna get you right with up here. I'm a little sad about this. I'm gonna do some more plucking, because I'm still not sad. I mean, not plucking, but get rid of some more of the glue, because I am still not satisfied. So we're gonna do that for like a couple more seconds. Okay, what's up y'all? I am currently on day 2 of my wig install. So the wig is completely dry and I'm gonna go into the dyeing process. Now you might be like, Jada, what you mean you're gonna dye your wig? Yes, that's right, I'm going to dye my wig. And I was actually gonna bleach the roots too, but I only got the developer, or whatever this is called. I only got the liquid, and you need the powder too if you're gonna bleach the knots so that it's thick. So yeah, I don't have that, so but I'm gonna show you guys the lace. It's dry now, so I can show you it, give you guys a full little nice view. So this is it. It's nothing too much. Yeah, it's slight. Now one thing I will say is that a lot of different, I just dropped a wig. A lot of different stylists that I see, they do a lot of different things pre-install. So I'm gonna go get a doll head and put the wig on there so that I don't have to hold the wig and dye it. So I'm gonna be right back. What's up y'all? I'm back, and honestly in real time it's been like 3 hours since I recorded the last clip, because we didn't have it and we had to look for it, and then somebody got a bright idea, just go get a new one. So we had a bright idea to just get a new one. She's nice, she's not that bad. So let's move our water cup and our dye. I'm just gonna put her right here. Well, I feel like her head is not even, it's $4, it wasn't worth it. But anyways, so we're just gonna put her on. So I'm gonna get some pins. What would I even use? Some noodles. Yeah, I'll get some noodles. So y'all, I got some earrings. Can you see? Yeah, I got some earrings because I couldn't find any pins. So I'm gonna put the 2 earrings on the bottom.
Basically what I'm doing is I'm just putting the pins in appropriate spots to keep the wig in place.
And then I'm gonna get this. It's like a needle pick edge comb. So I'm just gonna smooth out the lace with this. And my original plan, I wasn't gonna bleach the knots. But now that I'm looking, like, you can see the knots. So, I don't know. But there's a lot of different methods to, like, get this smoother for the install. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some beeswax. And then I'm going to smooth in with that with a hot comb. So, this is what I have. She is bomb. And then I'm gonna go get my hot comb. Okay, so this is my hot comb. Yes, it's fairly new, probably only a year old, and it's Lumiere. It's a nice brand. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this set up. And put the beeswax on in the meantime.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get the beeswax and start putting that all over the hairline. And honestly, I didn't put enough, but it still ended up looking good at the end. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with the hot comb and try to get it as flat as we can.
Get what? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna unplug the hot comb just for now, but we have the hair smooth, slick back, pit mane slick back out the way, so that when it's time for the install, it's seamless, it's effortless. You know what I'm saying? Because there have been times where I have installed hair, and literally the wig itself is what held me back from doing the install that I need to do. But right now, I'm just gonna do some final plucking just to make sure that everything is how it should be. Okay, y'all, so you guys see this is completely ready for install. Now the wig front line isn't as nice as I wish it would be, but it is rolling up. That is a problem, but I mean, there's nothing more that I can do about it. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started with this install. It's not gonna be perfect, it's just for school. So yeah. Okay, y'all, to be honest, I've never done this before. Like, I've never dyed a wig or anything like that. that. So I'm gonna go watch some tutorials to see how this goes. But you know, so far I'm feeling confident about this process. Okay, to be honest, it's like 7 o'clock right now. The last clip that I recorded was at 1 o'clock. I literally had dinner and everything. Yeah, but basically I'm gonna take my hair off because I'm about to wash it. So I'm gonna put you guys in the time lapse. Okay, you guys. My hair is out, you know, I'm loving it. Wait, let me do like the lock twist boys do. But you know, I'm really loving the look. I would totally go to school like this. But we're going to wash my hair. Hey y'all, sorry if I seem a little out of the spirit. I literally just sneezed all the energy that I had out of my body, so bear with me. But I finished washing my hair, so I'm gonna have my mom blow dry it because she's literally an expert at anything regarding hair. So that's what we're gonna do. This is okay, y'all. So I got my hair blow dried. It's giving voluptuous. So now I'm gonna go get a cornrow by my mom. Okay. And none of these things I can't do. Why I let her do it, but she does it amazing. So why not? What's up, y'all? I'm finished with my hair. I'm finished with my hair. Not too much on my head. I don't think I'd ever get cornrows. But you know, let me show y'all. Look, you guys see? Period. Don't play. Get into it. You know. And my hair is not short, so period. Should I sleep with the ball cap on? I think I am gonna sleep with the ball cap on. Just gonna go to sleep like this. Yeah, I'm going to sleep like this. Okay. Good night, y'all. Hey you guys. So I kind of skipped a lot of steps with you guys, but when I originally tried to dye the wig, it didn't work because we only had the mixer or whatever it was. So we figured out by watching YouTube tutorials that we need to have the powder bleach. So we got the powder bleach. My mom went to the store on her way from work today and got the powder bleach, and we did the wig. So it's looking really nice, as you guys can see. And I put conditioner in the hair so that I could comb it out, and then once it's dry, I'll show you guys. And I'm gonna use a blow dryer and dry it out with cold air so that I can install it tonight, because y'all, school is tomorrow and I literally have no wig on my head. So yeah, we're gonna be kind of up late tonight. Okay, y'all, I just want y'all to get into this. Like, this, get into it. Get into it. Like, look at it in the mirror, y'all. Look at this. Look at it, man. This is beautiful. And it's gonna be on my head. You know. My hair, it don't move. Period. Okay, y'all, it's about time we get into business. My wig is ready to go. It's looking beautiful and scrumdiddlyumptious. Yes, mommy. And we're ready to get it going. So I'm not gonna do too much with what those people gonna be doing, but I mean, I do have a lot of side hairs, so I'm gonna do that. But first and foremost, we gotta actually get rid of my hair first. So, just smelling this because we use this to bleach the wig. But we're gonna go ahead and go in with my Got2b to slick back my edges. It's not much because I mean, I just got my hair braided, so I don't really have too many edges out right now. Yeah, it's not too much out right now, so I don't have too much to deal with. But I kid you not, there was this one time, like, I felt like I was doing my edges, like, I felt like I was Mrs. what's it called? I don't even know what to call it, but I felt like I was doing some crazy stuff. So I'm gonna put in time lapse and get this going. Oh, okay, y'all. So I'm putting this back now. I mean, I don't even have a scissors. Let me go get a scissors. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Okay, now we're gonna spray it on. Okay, but I've seen videos where people use the wig glue, but I already have this, so why not? It just got in my eye. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and go in and start, you know, taking it off. Now, mind you, I seen somewhere where hair. They said to leave the band on and just pull it back, so I think that's what I want to do. Now let me get my razor. Tie a knot in the back, and then put off the excess, and then we got it, y'all. We got it. I'm gonna go eat dinner. Catch y'all later. Okay, y'all, just finished eating dinner, so we're gonna get into this process. So I am ready with the glue. We're gonna do the thing. This is my skin color. Might not look like it, but it is. And we're just gonna put it on here like so. And afterwards, I'm gonna go in with some alcohol to wipe off the makeup. Okay, y'all, so I got some medical alcohol wipes. Okay, period. Y'all, I'm rushing. It's like 8:15. I gotta be to bed by 9:30 so I can get my full hours of sleep. It's gonna burn because I know I cut myself. I'm gonna go in for a second wipe just to be certain that this is nice and clean. And then I put on this wig. Alright, we are good to go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to really push this hair back. So just gonna like make sure that it's back. I feel like that's so important right now. I'm gonna do the same thing I did last time and put the hair in a ponytail. Just a nice little ponytail in the back, and then go underneath and make sure that you have room for your head to fit in. See? So make sure that is open enough. But yeah, put that hair in a ponytail. I'm just gonna use this quick cheap rubber band. And y'all, I'm really just so happy that this came out how I wanted it to. Like, instead of me buying a whole new wig, I just dyed it. And then guess what? I could dye it back black whenever I want to. Whenever I want. Period. It's giving. Okay. So, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I use nails to put it on. Little tiny nails. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this to see if I really need to tint it or not. But I doubt that I'll tint it. And hook that clip in the back. Really trying to bring this wig forward, like so. Not gonna lie to y'all, I think I OD'd it with the sideburns. Yeah, I definitely OD'd. So that's gonna have to come off. But other than that, I mean, the wig is looking fine. Like, it looks sick. The wig looks okay. So I'm just gonna brush this back. Brush it out of my way. So we can get into this install. If there's any hair in your face, feel free to pop it because that hair is not really needed. Not really. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that because I OD'd it. Yeah. Okay. I was gonna have to roll this back regardless. So rolling that back. And then I'm gonna put some tinting on the wig because I mean, it's only gonna be minor though. I'm just gonna put like a little bit, just to get it like a little oomph. The lace is coming off, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'm honestly not really looking forward to this right here because I know it's gonna hurt. I can actually probably use the alcohol pads, to be honest. So the wig is on. Now I'm just going to do some of this. I mean, I could always do that, but we're not going to do that. Okay, so I'm thinking about what type of design I want to do with edges. So I'm going to go look at some examples, but I think I have an idea of what I want to do. So I decided to do 3 swoops, 1 in the middle and then 2 on the sides. So wish me luck. Okay, y'all, so we're getting into the finishing touches, and I'm happy with it so far. I really hope the edges come out right, but this is the most important thing, the defining the part. So get a concealer, doesn't matter, and you're gonna go through your middle part with it. Okay, that's step 1. Let me make sure. But you gotta make sure you have a straight part. Are you gonna find a crooked part? You know what I'm saying? So. Right, so you go in. My part is not even straight. I don't really care though. But yeah, you go in with your concealer. And where's my concealer bottle? I lost it? Oh. Okay. Then y'all gonna be a little bumpy for a second. Okay. So I have this little makeup palette. I do the same thing every time. Get the black color. My hair is not even really black anymore, but hopefully it still looks good. Get a dark color or whatever color matches your wig. Ooh. And then you get the comb. Look at me, about to mess up. Get the comb, cover that concealer so you can have a nice sharp part. And then you go over it with this. And then boom, you have a nice, cute straight line. Now this is the final reveal, y'all. I'm nervous and excited because once this is done, I finally get to take a shower and go to sleep. I'm so nervous. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Let me give y'all a close-up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. Okay. I'm mainly loving the wig. I don't know if I'm in love with this swoop right here. I was never really a fan of edges on wigs. Like, it never looks right. I can never achieve the natural look how the people don't be doing it, but I don't really care. Who's gonna judge me? Not y'all. Okay, now I gotta record a video and send it in the share group chat. Okay, y'all, so this has been a very successful install. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a montage of me cleaning. So y'all have fun with that. Okay, y'all, so everything is all put back in order now. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all next time.